Disadvantages of preventive maintenance. The disadvantages of preventive maintenance are that unlike reactive maintenance, preventive maintenance requires maintenance planning and you run the risk of conducting preventive maintenance too frequently. Preventive maintenance planning requires an investment in time and resources that is not required with less complex maintenance strategies. Maintenance may occur too often with a preventive maintenance program. Unless, and until the maintenance frequencies are optimized for minimum maintenance, too much or too little preventive maintenance will occur. Additionally, the frequency of preventive maintenance might be too high. Fortunately, the frequency can be lowered without sacrificing reliability when condition monitoring and data analysis are used. The decrease in maintenance frequency is offset by the additional costs associated with conducting condition monitoring.